We're living in a digital revolution. From smartphones to smart homes, technology is everywhere. And guess what? It's transforming healthcare too. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is changing the way we diagnose, treat, and even prevent diseases.
Imagine a world where computers help doctors make faster and more accurate diagnoses. That's the power of AI in healthcare. AI is like having a super smart assistant for doctors. It can analyze vast amounts of data and spot patterns humans might miss.
This means faster diagnoses, better treatments, and ultimately healthier lives. This is just the beginning of a healthcare revolution. AI is like a turbocharger for healthcare, making everything faster and more efficient. Imagine a world where you don't have to wait weeks for test results. AI can analyze medical images in seconds, speeding up diagnosis and treatment.
This means you can get the care you need faster, leading to better outcomes. AI is also incredibly accurate. In some cases, it can even outperform human doctors in diagnosing certain conditions.
AI can analyze vast amounts of data and identify subtle patterns that humans might miss. But don't worry, AI isn't here to replace doctors altogether. Instead, it's a powerful tool that helps them make better decisions. AI isn't just a futuristic fantasy. It's already making a real difference in healthcare today. Let's look at some real-world examples of AI in action.
One area where AI is making huge strides is in radiology. AI algorithms can analyze medical images like X-rays, Connecticut scans, and MRIs to detect abnormalities with incredible accuracy. This helps radiologists make faster and more accurate diagnoses, leading to earlier detection and treatment of diseases.
AI is also transforming the way we develop new drugs and treatments. Traditionally, developing new drugs has been a long and expensive process. But AI can analyze vast amounts of data to identify promising drug candidates and predict their effectiveness, significantly speeding up the drug discovery process.
Another exciting area is personalized medicine. AI can analyze your individual genetic makeup, lifestyle, and environmental factors to create personalized treatment plans tailored to your specific needs. This means you're more likely to receive the most effective treatment for your condition.
These are just a few examples of how AI is revolutionizing healthcare. From faster diagnoses to personalized treatments, AI